So I got this StarPower StarPlug in, and this is the unboxing of that. Maybe. There it is. Found it. So packaging looks nice. Nothing inside. The device looks nice. I believe that thing will spin out and you can put like a different insert in there for different parts of the world. But this is the one for the US. So that works there. And let me jump into the app. Looks like it's working. Now to get my Weather XM back up and working. Gotta hook up my StarPower StarPlug. Got that up and running. Alright, so I just got the StarPower StarPlug plugged in and up and running. Connect on this. And see, where do I go to device? Claim your StarPlug. Charging. Okay, I gotta go back out to the garage. Alright, so now it's connecting to my device. And my Wi-Fi, blah blah blah. So I'm gonna flip this garage. I'm gonna have to blur this out. Alright, so now it's verifying the device. Got a key code and a public address. Bind device with you. I mean, I guess that's my account. I don't know. And there we go. Claim the location, I guess. I don't know if there's a limit to what you can have at your house. It's the same location. I guess I'll have to look into that, see how many you can have at the same location. But it looks like my StarPlug is up and running. Yep. Go, there's the address. So this will give me my power consumption and everything. And so this is what I'm going to have connected to this thing for now. And just in case anybody's wondering, it looks like they are still in testnet. So this is kind of one of those, do your own research, see what they're building. They have other products coming down the line. So this is the first of, I believe, 3 that they have planned at this point. So until next time.